Hey everybody, Ryan Codes here, and I'm going to teach you on this channel about tools, tips, and tricks around iOS development, programming in Swift, and much more. So let's get started. What you'll need. You're going to need a MacBook running macOS 10.12 or later, the latest version of Xcode via the App Store. Um, Things you'll need an Apple developer account. Now, we'll get more into this in another video, but this is more for if you're ready to deploy your application with the App Store itself. When you're developing, you really don't need this right away, but it's just something to keep in mind for a later date. And really, last off, your imagination and your willingness to create. It's going to be hard in the beginning, but there's lots of tools, and my tips and tricks videos will get you up and running in no time. Optional items, test devices. I'm sure you might have an iPhone hanging around, an iPad, an Apple TV, an Apple Watch. These are some devices that you can deploy your apps onto to make sure they're working in the real environment. Xcode provides simulators, which we'll get into later, and those are great for simple testing. But you always want to test on your proper real hardware devices. Another optional thing is Mac in the cloud. I've never used it. I just found it recently online, and it's pretty cool. You can get pricing and have pretty much like a virtual online machine for a Mac if you're running a Windows machine or something like around those lines, and you don't have a MacBook and you want to really jump into iOS development. It's just something to keep in mind. But I really recommend getting a MacBook if you can afford it, and jump right in. And so we will go from here to showing you on the App Store how you can go and get Xcode, right? So you can search Xcode in the box, and Xcode is right here. You can see it says open. For you, it might say get. Open because I have it on my machine. It'll show you some, preview, some information, how much Xcode is pretty chunky, so it's going to take a little bit of space, but I think it'll be all right. You're going to make some great things with it. So when we open Xcode, when we get in here, there's so many types of applications we're going to start with. There's single view applications, there's games, and they're all templates, right? So they give you templates on how you should start programming your application, but there's so many different ways and so many different styles, and we'll get into those in later videos. Um, we're probably not even going to start with applications. We'll probably jump right into the playground in a later video and show you how Swift is used and how you can get going with that. Was enough for this video. In the next video, we'll jump right into a single view application, and I'll get you up and running, throwing UI elements on the screen with storyboards, and jumping right into Swift. I hope you can subscribe and check out my later videos. Thank you.